Hi, I'm April Pucciata from Ward White, Sotheby's International Realty. I'm so excited to show you my new listing today at 9329 Mark Drive in Long Beach Township on Long Beach Island. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath home also features an elevator, a bonus room, and a spacious 2-car garage. My favorite thing about this house are the beautiful bayside views and the gorgeous sunsets you can watch every evening. If you have any questions or would like a private tour, please contact me.